So if you want to do a 15-15, you'll just be wasting ink. Muslin. So 15 long by 8.5, and then we're going to split it. So this one's Steve, this one's Catherine's, and this one's Priscy's. Okay, so we're going to fold it in half. Make sure it's even. Even meaning when you fold it, it's 2 pieces of bread, and your sandwich is in the middle, and it's even. So this is my way of pressing it, and then I'm going to cut it. Cut it even. I'm not tearing it because I don't want it to roll. Okay? So then I take my zipper. This is a 7-inch zipper. 7 inches. Okay? Courtesy of Steve. Thank you very much. Take the staple out. Do not drop the staple on the floor. If you're at home, you have kids at home, you have dogs and cats, this staple, if they swallow it, could kill them. So make sure. I just take the wrapper and stick the staple on the inside of the wrapper. Take this, and believe it or not, this shows you also how to put a zipper in. Y'all just throw it away. Put it in here. The other zipper that we did was just your regular invisible zipper. This one's going to be a fold over zipper. A fold over zipper. Okay? So remember the top of the zipper. Do not cut off this extra fabric. This goes on the inside of the waistband. So do not cut it off. If you cut it off, it only leaves your little hook here, and it'll come loose, and you did all this work to put a zipper in, and it comes loose. So don't cut this off. I'm going to even off the top because it looks a little crooked. So now when I measure the zipper, I measure it leaving the top open because that's sort of like the waistband. And then I'm going to put a little pin right over the staple. The staple should not be showing. Okay? So sew up past the staple and you got it going on. So for the benefit of those who cannot sew straight, we are going to draw a line. Okay? And your zipper is going to go here, and we're going to sew this part first. So forward, back stitch, forward, back stitch, forward. If you back stitch in the same spot. For those of you who cannot back stitch in the same spot, it's about 5 of you, I'll show you a different way to do it. Okay? So now we're going to go over to the sewing machine.